Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Just want to do a quick sound check, please. Okay, is my sounds coming okay by typing a one for me? Okay, do let me know if my sounds coming okay and my screen is okay by typing a one. Okay, and we're gonna start our section this morning. So again, a quick disclaimer: this section here, I'm not doing any buy and sell calls. So if you want to trade any stocks based on our discussion in this morning, make sure you go on trading plan. All right. If not, get advice from the professional. Okay. So let's start with something that is so-called having a hot topic okay, this morning. I'm not sure why my stock alert suddenly didn't work. Just now I checked still working, okay, but I'm not sure probably doing some update right now. But definitely today, I think lots of growth is coming up. Okay. Why it's not working? Okay, I'm not sure why it's not working. Probably my internet connection is slow. Okay, or maybe we look for other counter first. Okay, I think I posted some things in Telegram this few days yesterday and this morning. But just now actually I saw Resin Tech, okay, also coming back strongly. Like I say, recently got a lot of stocks doing shakeout, including this one. I just realized they actually doing shakeout. Okay, and today looks like shakeout completes over here. Okay, so normally shakeout completes. I cannot ensure that they will 100% break resistance, but most of the time they will try to change resistance. Okay, which is I think a lot of counter right now they are slowly heading into the resistance. Okay, so including Carex as well. Of course, Carex also I think they are moving together with the growth sentiment. Okay, so here Western Tech, okay, a deep shaker actually. This is a deep shaker. Okay, and now it looks like trying to close above. Okay, but volume still a bit not so convincing. Again, we can actually wait until 3 to 4 p.m. and see how it goes later on. Okay, hello Alvis, good morning. Okay, now let's look into my trick signal. But why today's just now it's still working actually. Just now, a few minutes ago, before we start with live, Facebook still working. I'm not sure why now it's not working. Probably because of my technical teams they are doing some update, so probably we'll wait for a while. Okay, now the other one that I'm looking into is Edel Tech. Today, like I said, lots of counters that are worth to look into. Uh, Mostly sugar completed. Okay, again, like I said, I cannot promise them they can break higher, but like I said, most of the time when sugar completed, they got a good chance, okay, for them to test the resistance. Okay, so again, we can actually check out the support resistance over here. Okay, you can use it from the XIFU apps, or if you are having this so-called extra, you can use that as well. So this is R2 area. R1 area, I can focus R1 area first. I've got some small gap over here, probably something that you can look into. Okay, so here, again, shakeout completes. Okay, sugar completes. Okay, today drop. Okay, but like I said, today drop below volume. I think it's okay. Like for example, ACMO as well. Yeah, actually, I need to look into ACMO because last week I want to enter, but still a bit takut to enter last week. Okay, because last week is a up candle. Okay, let's see how. Oh, today get up. Today up 2% so far. Okay, today up 2% so far. But I still think that ACMO is quite interesting. Okay, I still think ACMO is quite interesting. Probably I'll come back and look into that again. Actually, I'm in 650, but I don't think I can get. But it's okay. Let's see how it goes. So, okay, now, last week we do also talk about JPG. Okay, we can look into Betamax as well. This is also shakeout complete, even though it's just a new IPO counter, so I cannot really read a lot of information, but here is a very clear shakeout complete. Okay, they're still holding well. For me, as long as they're holding well, this support level, I think is good. Okay, for JPG. Okay, the other one I think is Betamax. Okay, Solar West as well, shakeout completed. Okay, so this Betamax actually doing a long period of shakeout. Wow, today also cross resistance. Okay, now let's go into weekly chart. We go into weekly chart. Okay, notice over here, weekly nice shakeout. I use the line better. My drawing is a bit bad. Okay, so here it's a long period of shakeout. Okay, happening somewhere around here. Okay, hopefully you can saw that as well. So this Friday we have a special course for those that who are premium users, XIFU premium user. We will talk about shakeout. Okay, so shakeout is very powerful methods. Okay, especially if you want to trade on sideways market. Doesn't matter it's from accumulation or sometimes during the reaccumulation. Okay, very, very helpful. Normally for me, I watch shakeout to ensure that there is a certain strength in the chart. Okay, yes, sometimes need to hold for a while, but if let's say you're playing for mid to long term, I think it's good. Okay, to look into that. Check idiotic, idiotic just as a check, lah. Okay, but we look into that later on. Okay, so here, beta. Okay, here resistance, weekly resistance looks like they are slowly heading into this. Okay, so there's a quick one for beta mac. Okay, if let's say on daily wise today they actually break the R1 already. Currently break R1, and you can notice the volume is pretty good as well. So hopefully it can close. For me, close 450 is good already. Okay, to ensure there is a follow through. Okay, on this so-called weekly and daily shakeout. All right, so there's a good one for good setup overall for beta mac. So the other one is SL West. Let's into SL West as well. Okay, so they also drop. Okay, but drop low volume, I think still fine. Okay, so here we got a shakeout. Okay, we got a shakeout. Last week, Friday closing with a good volume. Okay, with a good volume. But here, today, let's see how maybe like more. Sometimes shakeout completed, right? It will segue for a few more days before they going into another resistance again. Okay, but again 165. Okay, around 165 lah, the current support lah. To around this is R1. Okay, R1 around how much on this one? 182. Okay, so you can calculate your risk to reward, whether it's worth to look into it. Currently, I think it's good. 1 against 2.5, the risk to reward ratio. All right, so well, some things that probably you want to aim. Okay, if you want to trade within the range, okay, from supports to the resistance. Okay, so while waiting for my trade signal to come back, because I'm not sure why. Before actually I start my section, still okay now back already. Good. Okay, I go to your stock first. Okay, then we'll come back to look into here lah. Okay, something that is interesting is forming. Ibraco coming back, KUB. Okay, KUB, nice pullback. We will look into that later on. Okay, now if you got any stock for me, you can type it at the comments below. We can check it together. Then we will look into the pullback signals for today. So okay, now let's go into RG Tech. Now RG Tech, unfortunately, last week not a very good closing. Okay, because it goes up, I thought it going to stay or break resistance ready, but it closed lower. Okay, with high volume. Okay, now few things you can do for today lah. If you're already in the trades or you're looking for a trade, okay, like me, I'm still looking for it, but because of the closing like this, right? Maybe I will look for other first. Okay, let's say I cannot get others, then I will look into that again. So definitely resistance is a bit strong already around the R1 area. Okay, because this one is a bit similar to shooting star. Normally shooting star with high volume, right? Don't really like that because it represents lots of sellers at the top. Okay, so here also seems like a little bit of false breakout now forming false breakout. Okay, now if let's say these few days they are still above 2040, okay, I think it's still okay, right? Maybe sometimes because of certain sellers coming in. Okay, then they will test support. After we test support, they'll break. But this one probably will take a little bit of time already. Okay, because of the resistance is a bit strong. Maybe like 2-3 weeks, 1 month plus. Okay, or maybe somehow what they do is that they will do another round of shakeout again. Okay, because resistance strong, they need to do shakeout. Okay, they need to do shakeout. Hey, morning Ruku. Yes, I'll look into that. So okay, now let's look into EDA text again. Okay, I think just now we just check these counters over here. Okay, so here a clear shakeout. Okay, gap up, support, break, shakeout. Okay, pushing it back. Right, so here today, yes, currently it's down bar, but down bar low volume I think is still fine. Okay, but of course now it's the first trading hours. We still don't know whether this is a low volume or not. So if you want to look for entry opportunity, you can wait for until 4 p.m. Okay, this is personally sometimes what I do. I like to do my decision around 4 p.m. Sell early in the morning because early morning breaks up. Okay, normally it's a good time to sell. But look for entry opportunity. Normally I like to look for 4 p.m. one. Okay, so this is my style. Okay, so let's go into SY group. Okay, do let me know any other counters to look into so we can actually study this together. Okay, SY group last week clear breakout. Okay, today follow through. I don't think I need to comment anything. Okay, I'm not sure whether Ruku already in the trade or not. I think last week you also asked me, right? This one. Okay, this one also actually doing a shakeout over here. Okay, retest resistance, break. Okay, so I got nothing much to comment because this is a breakout already. Okay, things that if let's say you're in the trade, things that you need to be careful is that whether they will form shooting star or not. Okay, shooting star high volume, yes, you need to be careful. Like for example, macam ni lah, but this is not a high volume lah. Okay, so macam ni lah, you need to be careful lah, because sometimes either is that they will make around pullback or maybe they will drop a little bit further. Okay, but so far so good lah. So far, if I based on current this 1 hour chart, I don't see much of the weaknesses is forming. Okay, in SY group. Okay, any other counters you want me to look into? If not, probably we go into the this stock idea over here. Okay, this is how pullback stock idea, or we can go into the XIFU pullback as well. Okay, wait, let's check. Okay. Okay, Hapsing. I think we saw Hapsing just now. Yeah, Hapsing. Okay, from XIFU pullback side, if you are using these so-called XIFU apps over here, right? Okay, I do see Hapsing, Pharma. Okay, Carex, I think Jalan already. I just want to check. M Bank also quite strong. SIP Tech. Okay, this is some of my previous favorite counters. Looks like they're coming back already. So let's look into Hapsing first. Mr. DIY. Okay, I'll look into Mr. DIY later on. Hey, shakeout complete. But again, now it's the first trading hour lah. Okay, I'm not sure lah. So okay, here. Okay, if close over here, I think would be nice. Actually, I still in this is a bit similar like EG and SKB short, which both of them are actually still holding right now. Okay, later on I will check how it goes already. Okay, so Hapsing, hopefully we will see some volume increasing towards the end. All right, so hopefully they can also challenge out to later on. All right, but so far so good, I think, for Hapsing. Okay, so Hapsing, S&P Tech, let's do the S&P Tech. Oh yeah, this one a bit downtrend. Hey, but it's nice big gap over here. Okay, this one I will monitor for a few more days. Okay, monitor for a few more days. If let's say a few more days, right, they are still holding around this gap. Okay, I think something is going on. Something is nice. Okay, for us to look for the potential next resistance. Okay, any others? Resin Tech, I think just now Resin Tech we've done already. MKH. Okay, some of the glove counters are Venta, CCK break resistance, one glove, ZMB. Okay, again, you can actually use the XIFU apps to check for the upcoming pullback counters. If not, if let's say you got access to X chart, yes, you can use the trade signal also, or the pullback trade signals. So MKH, okay, MKH nothing. Okay, let's go into Mr. DIY from low. Okay, Mr. DIY. Okay, trading within a range. This is a so-called nice uptrending. Okay, here, yes, drop a little bit to 40 mil, but push up quite fast. So I can say trend is still quite good. Okay, again, I'm not sure you're looking for long-term, short-term, but assuming you're looking for long-term because this one looks like good counters for long-term Okay, a bit slow and steady currently the movement. So I don't see any weakness at the top. Okay, recently got a lot of buy and sell but it's EPF Okay, EPF. Okay, EPF nothing to see So here, analyzer. Okay, fundamental wise is 5 out of 9. Okay, average. Okay, so TA also 4.0 over 10 so again neutral Okay, so let's say this counter is slightly a bit boring, but trend still good. So if you are focusing like mid to long term, I think is okay, right, for Mr. DIY. Okay, again, probably you can use the S2 over here, okay, as a potential so-called support level, right? If you are really interested, again, have a trading plan before you enter. So okay, now let's look into Aventa. Some of the glove counters focus on the glove counters because I think Aventa, Supermax, K Plus, maybe today we will see shakeout completes. Okay, but normally I don't have luck with glove. I'm not sure why. But let's say shakeout complete, probably I will try again. And the other day, I think like last 2 months ago, I tried K plus, but again no luck. I have to exit with the small losses, right? But let's say this round go shakeout complete, probably we will try again. So okay, over here, shakeout zone, here's a deep shakeout. Okay, so let's see whether you can push back to this S1 or not. Okay, so let's say can push back, maybe got momentum heading to the next resistance level. Okay, so here probably still got lots of like potential, okay, for us to at least lock some profit, okay, in between. So there's Aventa. Okay, I think Supermax also appeared in my list here today. Just now I saw Supermax. Okay, Supermax chart looks more clean. And also in 90 over cent. Just like Aventa K plus is 30 cent. Sometimes I want to enter back, also a bit worried. Okay, maybe I will try Supermax. 90 over cent, I still feel okay. Not so kanchong a bit. Okay, so here, one round shakeout. This is a big shakeout, okay, due to the market correction as well. Okay, well, let's see how it goes. Okay, if let's say it can break this so-called, this is 95 cents area. Okay, of course, here got a little bit of resistance, the latest one, but I think here would be a main challenge. Okay, 95 cents. So let's say can break here, but I think got a chance to retest the main one. Okay, so if let's say let's say got opportunity later on, okay, maybe around support area 89 cents. Okay, entering around 89 cents to 95 cents. Okay, probably can look for opportunity, okay, to lock some profit, partial profit around the area. Okay, so there's Supermax. Pokong also, I think Tome also this morning kept up, but it dropped back very quickly. Okay, nothing much here. But I think Tome Pokong the serve is good. Just that right now it's a bit boring because they are in this one so-called reaccumulation for a few months already. Okay, but if you notice the support is quite good. Okay, here also got shakeout. Okay, here also got one shakeout. Okay, the other ones just now we saw MBSB coming back. Okay, nice one. The other one I think we saw is Baraka. Actually, I don't plan to click Baraka, but sub is good. Okay, this is a pullback sell. Okay, this is a pullback sell. But below 10 cents, again, if you want, you can try. But normally, I rarely go this kind of counters. Okay, ECMO moving, MBSB. Actually, today pullback stocks a lot. Okay, pullback stock a lot. Okay, MBSB. Okay, let's see whether can close this downtrend line or not. Okay, if let's say can close this downtrend line, maybe got a chance to retest resistance. Okay, weekly chart. Wow, actually not bad. A bit similar like Me Technovation. Previously, I entered for long to mid-term purpose, but the other day they break support already. I have to exit. Now I'm thinking actually to enter back or not. Last week is a complete pullback. Okay, if let's say I look into weekly chart. All right. So let's say daily close the downtrend line. I think maybe got chance, okay, to retest resistance. Okay, retest resistance level. Okay. All right, do let me know any other counters you want me to look into, so we can study together. But today, definitely worth to pay attention to some of the pullback stocks over here, BJ Crow, or maybe you can use the XIFU apps as well. Okay, some things that I think interesting, okay, to look into. Okay, like I said last 2 weeks ago, we do have lots of shakeout. Last week, I think most of them shakeout completes. And maybe this is a good chance for them to do another round of pullback. Okay, some of them actually try resistance. Like I think SY Group, all this they break 60K, they break Carex. Okay, we try resistance. Okay, after the shakeout completes. Okay, let's send the EG. Okay, EG still tak jalan lagi lah. Okay, I'm actually interested in WD. Okay, EG are still holding, but I'm looking into whether I want to enter a bit of WD or not. Okay, so far so good. Okay, the other one is KB short. Okay, currently still low volume. It's a down bar. Okay, it's a down bar. Okay, but for me, as long as they are above this shakeout zone, I think it's fine. Okay, above this shakeout, I think it's fine. Okay, any other questions? Okay, if not, we end our section this morning. Nowadays, no much question from the audience. Okay, SSF. Okay, waiting for shakeout completes as well. Okay, I think nothing more. Yeah, sorry, KUB. Okay, we look into LHI and KUB before we end our section. So LHI, because CCK moving higher, I think TOC also moving higher. This one also shakeout completes. Okay, somewhere around here. But I feel like I like TOC more. Okay, now last one, KUB. Okay, KUB previously here got lots of strength. Okay, but market the other day it dropped. Okay, so you saw it dropped with a gap. All right. Not yet. This one not yet circle complete. Okay, but if let's say back to this gap, volume increasing. Okay, I think yes, something worth to pay attention to. Okay, so if let's say there's no questions, we end our section here this morning. So once again, thank you for joining me in this section over here. Do remember we have this Telegram group. If let's say you want to have more discussion, join our Telegram group from time to time. If I spot any good setup, I will share in the group as well. All right. So this Friday we have checkout completes. Checkout patterns courses. Okay. So if you're interested, do join us. Okay. So from there, actually, I will share with you some simple way. Actually, three simple way only to identify shakeout. So shakeout, again, it's a boring method, but it's a good method for you to check. Okay, it's the stocks at this particular time, still got any so-called operator interested or not. Okay, so well, like I said, this is a good time to use this strategy, and I will see you again tomorrow. Okay, for more stock updates. How to join? Okay, as long as you are premium XIFU user, okay, you can actually join the course. I will send out the link through email, or if not, you can actually WhatsApp me. Okay, with your profile account. Okay, I will check your profile account, then I will give you the Zoom link. Okay, for you to join. It's a Zoom section. We start at 8 p.m. We're finishing around like 10 p.m. or 10:30, depending on Q&A. If let's say you got more questions for me, then I will stay a little bit late. Then we'll go through a little bit of case study, some example, okay, using live chart as well to do case study too. Okay, so thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow.